Hi kids! How are you today? I hope you're now familiar with the 26 letters of the English alphabet. From our previous videos, we learned that the English alphabet follows a correct order. Just like the first letter is always A, and the last letter is always Z. In a set of words, we can know which word comes first, second, or third by alphabetizing. We call the arrangement of the words alphabetical order. Okay, I'll give you a few examples. We have the first set of words: dog, octopus, rabbit, frog, elephant. Always look at the first letter of the words and arrange them according to their places in the alphabet. It is important that you know the order of the 26 letters in the English alphabet to easily arrange the set of words. Which comes first? Okay, let's see. What is the first letter of the word dog? D. How about the octopus? The first letter of the word octopus is O. For the word rabbit, it's R. For the word frog, it's F. How about the word elephant? Yes, it's E. Now let's see. We have D, O, R, F, E. Among the 5 letters that we have, which comes first? D is the first, E is the second, and F, followed by O and R. Remember, we always look at the first letter of the words and arrange them according to their places in the alphabet. Dog, elephant, frog, octopus, rabbit. This is the second example. Apple, orange, banana, grapes, watermelon. Look at the first letter of each word. For the word apple, we have A as the first letter. For orange, we have the letter O. For banana, we have B. For grapes, we have G. And for watermelon, we have W. We have the letters A, O, B, G, W. Let's start arranging the words in alphabetical order. Apple, banana, grapes, orange, watermelon. Good job! Congratulations, kids! Here's the example of the third set of words: bag, paper, envelope, sharpener, ruler. Again, let's look at the first letters of the words. We have B, B, E, S, and R. Among the 5 letters, which comes first? It's B, followed by E, P, R, and then S. So the set of words should be arranged like this: bag, envelope, paper, ruler, sharpener. All right, nice try. But what about if the words have the same beginning letters? For example, dog, duck, deer, drum, dice. All of the words start with D, right? Now what we do is look at the second letter. In this set of words, the second letters are O, U, E, R, I. So which of the second letters come first? Let's again recall the order of the English alphabet. We got E, I, O, R, U. So this is how we arrange the words in alphabetical order: deer, dice, dog, drum, duck. This time, let's try to do a few arrangements of the words in alphabetical order. Let's number them from 1 to 5. Tell me what number should we put inside the star, okay? We have avocado, orange, pear, banana, grapes. Which fruit will be the first? Avocado. Yes, A is for avocado. What's next? Banana. B is for banana. The third is G. G is for grapes. The fourth is O. O is for orange. And the fifth word is pear. Yay! All right, we made it. Good job. We're going to arrange another set of words. We have the words circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval. What word is for number 1? Number 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the first word is circle. The second is oval, rectangle, square, triangle. Good job! Congratulations, kids! Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe too. Thank you. See you soon.